Janelle? I am back with my first ever tutorial and collaboration. I am so sorry for taking a hiatus from YouTube, you guys, but life got busy between the holidays, taking off of work. I was like off of work almost 2 weeks and just trying to transition back. It's been bananas. Plus 2021 started off very much ghetto. I did not like how she was coming. So, you know, February, I think this is like the new start of 2021 is, you know, it's coming in here with some sense. But yeah, you guys, I am here to talk about the amazing and new Fenty foundation. But it's the powder version, okay? Honey, Miss Riri, this powder formula is life-changing. And also, I'm doing my first collaboration with my girl Bianca, and her channel name is Being Ambitious. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere and you will see it. But also check out her video because, like I said, we're in collaboration together. So she's gonna talk about her thoughts about the powder foundation and also give you a little tutorial that you can use for Valentine's Day. I did the same here. Like I said, Riri did what she had to do. I have been an avid Fenty wearer since it dropped. Pretty much that has been my go-to foundation. But then I started using JUVIA'S this summer, but I always kind of lean towards Fenty the most. Definitely their setting powder, the loose powder is my favorite face powder of all time right now, other than my Fit Me. So those are like neck and neck. But baby, let me tell you something. Miss Rihanna Fenty, she came in real crazy with this soft matte pro powder foundation. It is very much my skin. Like, I really do love this. And y'all excuse the band-aid, I cut my finger trying to cut up some onions last night. But y'all, I have been, look, putting this thing to work. As you can see, it has the FB. And I got my normal color. I'm a shade 380 in the foundation. So I got the same color in the powder foundation. And baby, she works. Like, the skin is sitting. Everything is sitting today. Like, the category is face. And I win it. Period. Really did what she had to do with this powder foundation. It is very, very good consistency. I'm just going to do a little bit of a swatch on my finger. Putting this on my hand. Y'all, it's literally my skin tone. Like, it shows up a little bit oranger, but it really blends in like my skin. Like, that's it. Especially in the summer, I'm gonna get a tan, and this is really just gonna be perfect for me. I cannot wait, y'all. Like, oof, your girl's about to be snatched. But anyway, I really love this. Like, Rihanna really did a good job. I knew it was going to be fabulous because it's Fenty Beauty. Like, what else? And it's a really nice compact, and it has a cute little sponge that comes in it. So I have been taking this out with me recently. I went to brunch last week, first brunch of 2021. Yes, your girl slay. And I had my powder foundation on, and the face was sitting, honey. I will link the picture below too, or I might put it up here somewhere on the screen. The face was sitting, baby. I was slaying for the gods. So this foundation, this powder foundation, really does work. Full consistency, full coverage. It lasts like a whole day. And I was out, y'all. Like, we had went to brunch at like 1 o'clock. Then I ended up going to happy hour afterwards. Then to dinner after that. So I had my same face on, and I came home and touched up. But pretty much from 1 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So about 10 hours. Almost 10 hours, so about 9 hours. But it was 11 by the time I got home. So 10 hours. 10 hours of a full face with this on. Crazy. The only thing I changed was my eyeshadow because I did a smoky eye. But, y'all, it's the truth. So, get you some, girl. Go and cop this Fenty Beauty powder foundation because you deserve it. So, you guys, you got to get this foundation. Like, it's you know, it's a powder, but it really does give that full coverage as if you have the foundation on. And this is going to be amazing when it gets hot. It is super humid in DC in the summertime, and so I try to go as light as possible in terms of makeup. So I think this really will be like my go-to this summer. Like maybe a dab of concealer, throw this powder on, keep it pushing, put some highlight on, and some lip gloss. Like I just like to keep it simple. Put my lashes on, maybe a little eyeshadow. But yeah, this is about to be my go-to. She is my go-to right now. So I really do love her. And baby, she came in crazy. Also, the lip gloss, the new, what's this? The lip cream? The lip cream is what I have on today. I am a fan. It is like a liquid lipstick, but it's a lip gloss. Like, that's a weird combination, but it's just like a colorful lip gloss, like a very pigmented lip gloss, and I can appreciate that. Usually I'm a lipstick person, but I do find myself using more lip glosses, and I am more of a lip gloss girl now because of Rihanna. I really love her holiday collection that came out, the little mini ones. I did a TikTok review, so if you have not seen that, I will put that in the bio below so you can see it. So, if you want to see how I got this fabulous look, darling, make sure you stay tuned and keep watching this video. And also make sure you check out my girl Bianca's video as well, because she's going to show you how she got her fabulous look as well. And as always, all of the products will be listed in the bottom, and also my links to Instagram and TikTok, because you need to follow me. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the tutorial. Love you guys. Bye. So I totally lost the clip of me doing my base, which is like my primer and my base concealer. So I'm just doing the eyes, and we're going to put Soleil on the lid, and that is from the AINA palette by ABH. And so it is a really nice like champagne shimmery color that is just really going to pop on the lid. You can use any shimmery color that you have. I wanted something light because we are going for a soft glam look, and you really just want the attention to be on your outfit for Valentine's Day, not your eyes. I mean, your makeup should look good, but you know, you don't want to take away from the total package. So I'm just packing that on like a lot. And as you can see, it is very much popping on the eyes. It is really much given. So then we're also going to deepen up the crease with triple fudge. I did not show me putting the transition color in, but you can use any medium chocolate brown or tan color. But for this outer crease, I didn't want to do black because black is kind of harsh. But feel free to put black in the, you know, outer corner if you want to smoke it up even more. But I like this dark brown because it's really chocolatey, but it's not too harsh because, like I said once again, we want a soft look, but we still want to be a baddie. So I'm going to highlight my areas with some JUVIA'S Place and the Maybelline concealer. And then from there, I always dampen my sponge with my setting spray because it makes your highlighted areas look flawless, honey. And I'm going to set that with some loose powder from Black Radiance, and it's in the color Banana. Y'all, I don't know why I put so much powder on this brush. Like, I'm trying to do better about baking, but girl, I put too much on. Do y'all see all this powder on my shirt? It's giving way too much. Like, why did you do this, ma'am? But the eyes are going to be sitting after this, so feel free to pack that powder on, but just don't be as messy as I am right now. So I'm probably going to just bake for like 15 minutes. I'm trying to get better at it, but it's really hard for me to do it for 15 minutes. So then from there, I'm going to put my Fenty foundation on, and I am in the color 380. I'm using a stippling brush by Morphe. I think it's the M36 or M40. I'm going to put it in the description box below. But I'm going to put 2 pumps of that Fenty foundation on there because a little bit goes a long way. And we know this with Rihanna. She's told us this time and time again. But can we just get into this blending? Because you're about to see a transformation happen. The stipple goes a long way, okay? Stippling brushes are game changers in terms of foundation application. And I'm a true believer. Because as you can see, it looks like my skin is airbrushed. And don't forget the neck, honey, because I hate having a double chin, and therefore my neck always looks darker on film, on pictures when it's really not. So that's annoying, but make sure you blend your neck in. And once again, we are just stippling away. stippling away. I mean, get into it, honey, because do you not see this blending? It's going crazy. The category is face, and once again, I win. I'm the blending queen. Okay, just letting you guys know. I won today. So we're still blending, honey. You got to blend a lot. Next, we're going to put on our contour. This is the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. My go-to. I've been using this for about 4 years. The best contour palette on the market, honey. And once again, we are doing a little face surgery, and that is okay. We're snatching our face. And I'm just going to, you know, get my cheekbones that are a little bit high, but, you know, I have to accentuate them. And most importantly, get that chin, because if you have a double chin, honey, you know the struggle. We just, you know, we want it to look cuter. Not saying our face is ugly, but we want to accentuate the beauty that we already have. And that's the whole point of makeup. So we're just going to contour for the gods, honey, because we're trying to be snatched. It's Valentine's Day. I want my boo to be looking like, oh my gosh, she looks like Beyonce. It's giving Beyonce. Like, I'm flawless. Wake up flawless. That's me. Okay. So we're still contouring and contouring and contouring. But, you know, just make sure you get that nose, because we ain't trying to look like we went to get some plastic surgery. We just want to look snatched. Like, don't overdo it. Soft glam is the goal for today. That is the goal for this look. So then we are finally going to move on to the powder foundation. Whew, y'all, this is crazy. Rihanna, sis, why did you have to just make so much perfection in one compact? You guys, you only need a little bit. I promise you, just watch how this is going to sit on my skin and set my foundation and concealer. Look at this, honey. Look at it. And so I'm just going all around the areas of my face that's not highlighted and contour, but, you know, seamlessly blending it all together. It looks so good. Like, oh my gosh. Y'all, I was screaming after I did my makeup, because I was like, oh my gosh, I've never looked this snatched before. Like, my skin looks amazing, sensational. Like, where the money resides is on my face, okay? Like, as you guys can see, I am hype. I'm hype. Like, it's crazy. Just look at this. Like, what? It's literally flawless. It's flawless. It's crazy. Wow. I'm a fan. It's just crazy. I didn't even need any more. I just kept putting it on because I was just obsessed. Because my face is sitting. Like, the face is sitting. You know it's sitting. Yeah. I'm feeling myself. Y'all can tell. So then I also topped it off with Fit Me powder, just in case, because I have really oily skin. I didn't want to take no chances, girl, because we ain't trying to have that flashback in the pictures. So I just took a chance, child, and put a little extra on, but we don't need no more powder. You don't got to do all that. But I did apply blush off camera, and I just mixed the cream with powder brush. And the most important part is our lipstick. Well, the second most important part, because the foundation is most important. But the lipstick, lip gloss, the lip cream, the balm cream, it's thebomb.com. I'm going in with the NICKA liner. You can get this at the beauty supply store for $1. The best lip liner on the market, sweetie. I think I have mine in coffee, or it's either cocoa. I want to say this is coffee. And I'm just putting my gloss on top of this, and let me tell you, it's giving. It's just really giving a lot. Like, it looks so good. I really love this color. It's Mauve, you guys. Make sure you get this color. I think this is really going to look good on me in the spring. And, honey, when I get this tan in the summer. Oh, when I'm looking like a fortune cookie, nice and bronzy, a little chicken nugget. I'm really about to look good. So I'm just setting my face, y'all, because we are done. This is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my girl Bianca's channel. And let me know what you think of both of our videos. And what are your plans for Valentine's Day? I love you guys. Bye.